Hello my lovely viewers, this is Dr. Geetika and I'm so happy to welcome you to my new YouTube video. Today is a special one. I'm going to talk about a different world of skincare, where you can use technology at home to address multiple skin concerns. Yes, it's skincare tools and gadgets. They can be a game changer for your skincare routine. I'll show you the skincare devices I swear by and also share product tips to take your skincare game to the next level. So get comfy, hit the like button and let's step into the world of skincare tools together. Okay, so first let's discuss the benefits of skincare tools. Well, skincare tools have the power to significantly enhance your skincare routine. They have many benefits. Some promote better product absorption, while some stimulate collagen production and improve blood circulation also. For example, facial rollers like jade or rose quartz rollers gently massage your skin, leading to improved lymphatic drainage and reduced puffiness. While other high-frequency devices which utilize electric currents to stimulate collagen and elastin production help in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They can deliver tangible improvements to your skin texture, tone and overall health. Now let's jump to the world of skincare tools. I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite tools that I personally love and use. They are always in my skincare fridge. More on that later. And I can tell you in my professional opinion that they have the power to not only elevate your skin but also address chronic skin issues like fine lines and wrinkles. The very first tool on my list is the Dr. G Rose Quartz Face Roller. This little beauty gadget is truly a game changer in the world of skincare tools. You know, it's almost like a magic wand for tackling puffiness, detoxifying your skin and giving your face a firmer and more sculpted look. The best part is the roller's dual-headed design. You can target different areas of the face with precision. Use the bigger side for your cheekbones, jaw, neck and smaller part around the eyes and the nose. I also personally like to use this tool to help my skin for better absorption of the products. I roll it on after applying creams and serums and they're absorbed more effectively, almost like a sponge soaking up water. So how do you use Dr. G Rose Quartz Face Roller? Start with a clean face, apply a few drops of Dr. G B3 Super Serum on your fingertips, gently massage the serum on your skin, focusing on the areas of concern. And then take the Dr. G Rose Quartz Face Roller and roll it over your face, following the natural contours of your facial muscles. Begin with the larger roller and gently roll it upwards and outwards across your forehead, cheeks and jawline. Use light pressure for under eye areas. Switch to the smaller roller, rolling from the inner corner to the outer corner. Go back to the larger roller and roll along your neck in an upward motion. Continue the rolling motion for at least 5 to 10 minutes and use the roller daily or as needed for soothing massaging experience that promotes product absorption and reduces puffiness. Alright, moving along to my next star, Dr. G Skin BFF. And believe me, this one's an absolute game changer. This beauty massager is no ordinary gadget, it's a true revolutionary. What's fantastic about it is that it comes in morning and evening modes, which means it's got your back around the clock. In the morning, it's all about rejuvenation and repairing your skin. It's like a little spa session for your face. And in the evening, it turns into a pro at boosting product absorption, ensuring your nighttime skincare routine and works like magic to the max. Now let's talk about the benefits. This beauty massager is like your personal fountain of youth. It's a pro at promoting younger looking skin, so you can say bye to that pesky eye fatigue or even the annoying crow's feet. It's like having your own very skincare expert right at home, ready to pamper you and keep you looking fabulous around the clock. It has 5 innovative modes which not only work on detoxifying or declogging the pores, but it also helps in rejuvenating the skin with the help of LED lights. Along with that, it also has microcurrent which helps in lifting up of the skin. So you can get the benefits of all these modes right at home when you're using this beautiful tool which is called the Dr. G Skin BFF. Follow along to use the Dr. G Skin BFF in the correct manner. Start with a clean face, apply your preferred serum and turn on the Dr. G Skin BFF and select the desired mode, morning or evening. Begin with the morning mode for a gentle awakening of the skin. Use circular motions to massage your face starting from the center and moving upwards and outwards. Pay attention to the areas where you want to soothe the skin. At night, opt for the evening mode, which is going to help revitalize the muscles, enhance the nutrient absorption and repair the skin damage. Again, use circular motions, but this time with slightly more pressure. Spend 5 to 10 minutes with Skin BFF, focusing on various facial areas. Next up is the Dr. G Face Sculpt Plus, a true gem. It's made from the genuine jade, which feels like having a mini spa session at your own fingertips. This powerful facial roller boasts of 6,000 vibrations per minute, making it an absolute dynamo. What's the benefit here? It's all about promoting blood circulation, toning those facial muscles, and saying goodbye to wrinkles and fine lines. It can be a ticket to smoother, tighter, and more youthful looking skin. Here's how to use the Dr. G Face Sculpt Plus. Start with a clean face. It's best to use it with the Dr. G Face Oil and one of the Dr. G gels based on your skin type. Take the tool, rotate the base counterclockwise until the vibration starts. For the forehead, from the center of the forehead, roll slowly towards the hairline. And for the eyes, work on the eyelids and roll under the eye area. For nose, roll from the center of the face to the end of the nostrils. And for cheeks, using the roller, work from the cheeks out to the ears. For jaws and the neck, work from the center of the chin on the upward towards the cheek and make wide rolls under the jawline towards the collarbone. For best results, use up to 10 minutes per session for morning and night. Rotate the base clockwise to stop the vibration. On to the next one, the Dr. G Butterfly Gua Sha. If you're all about the natural way to give your face a lift, this one's a must try. It's like a little piece of traditional Chinese medicine magic right in your hand. It's a pro at stimulating those facial muscles, getting that blood flow all worked up, and saying goodbye to the dreaded puffy eyes and face. And if you incorporate the Gua Sha into your daily skincare routine, you're signing up for improved skin tone, texture, and even some wrinkle reduction. Use Dr. G Butterfly Gua Sha like shown in the video. Apply your chosen serum or oil to a clean face. Hold the Dr. G Butterfly Gua Sha with the curved edge against your skin. Begin with your neck and gently scrape it on upward motion towards your jawline. Move to your cheeks, always working upwards and outwards. For your forehead, use that flat edge and sweep from the center towards the hairline. Be gentle and don't apply too much pressure. The scraping motion helps stimulate blood flow, reduces puffiness, and improves skin texture. Use it for 5 to 10 minutes as part of your skincare routine a few times a week. Last but certainly not the least, I have the Dr. G Uplift Massager, another must-have and in my self-care routine. This uplifting roller has its roots in the traditional art of face rolling but comes in with a new-age beautiful design that's optimized to take good care of your skin. It's all about blending the best of the tradition with modern skincare. By gently caressing your face and giving your lymphatic system a nudge, this roller does wonders. It's the ultimate depuffing tool and stress reliever and a great machine for enhancing blood flow. It allows your skin for the natural glow to shine through. It's also capable of reducing the tension and stress from your face and mind, all while soothing, toning, and lifting your lovely face. You can in fact even use it on your body. It's a versatile gem suitable for all skin types, and you can also use it for perfect companion to your sheet mask. Glide it over your mask for maximizing the benefits. Let's learn how to use Dr. G Uplift Massager. Start with a clean face and apply your preferred serum like the Dr. G B3 Super Serum or a moisturizer. Hold the roller at the center of your face and roll outwards, from the nose to the ears, from nose to the hairline, and from mouth to the jawline. For your neck, roll from the bottom to top. Repeat and keep massaging on your face for about 5 to 7 minutes. So now that's all that you know about skincare tools I use. I also want to tell you how I incorporate them in my daily routine. Which tool is used when and what purpose. In the morning, I first wake up my skin with the cold water and thorough cleanse with gentle cleanser. Then it's time to catch up on the tools. Taking some serum into my fingertips and applying it on my skin, first I use Dr. G Rose Quartz Face Roller. It's like a double dose of relaxation and circulation boost. Perfect for depuffing those early morning under eye bags. On some days, I like to change things and I use Dr. G Uplift Massager, giving my skin a revitalizing treat. Next, I introduce Dr. G Skin BFF, working in my moisturizer. It's like a mini massage to get the blood flowing and ensure that product gets right into the skin. I always end my routine with sunblock. Then in the evening, it's all about unwinding and giving my skin some extra TLC. On a clean face, I start with the serum and Dr. G Face Sculpt Plus, using it to stimulate those facial muscles and reduce the tension. To cap it all, I finish it with Dr. G Butterfly Gua Sha to sculpt and define my face naturally. And today's special mention is one little extra indulgence in my skincare routine, the Dr. G Beauty Fridge. It's the perfect place for keeping my skincare tools and other precious skincare products cool and ready for action. With hot and cold settings, premium tempered glass, and eco-friendly thermoelectric power, it's a must-have for all the beauty enthusiasts. And not only does it enhance the depuffing effects, it is also adding soothing spa-like sensation during each use. Plus, it also helps in extending the shelf life of certain products, which is always a win. Whether it's a Jade Roller, Gua Sha or my favorite serums, having a skincare fridge has been a game changer for my quest for a rejuvenated and radiant complexion. It's like a mini treat right in your own bathroom. So there you have it, my world of skincare tools and gadgets. By combining these tools with the right serums, you can achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay beautiful.